English together.
My home.
Hi, Jessica. Welcome. Please come in.
Thank you. Your house looks nice. Who do you live with?
I live with my mom, my dad, and my brother, Tom.
Nice. Is Tom at home?
Yes, he is in his room.
This is the living room. My family spends a lot of time here.
It's so cozy. I like the sofa.
Thank you. We watch TV on this sofa every evening. And this is my father's favorite armchair. And that is the bookshelf. We keep books and photos there. Here is the kitchen. My mother cooks dinner here.
Is that a new fridge?
Yes, it is. We also have a microwave and a small dining table.
Do you eat breakfast here?
Yes, we do. This is my bedroom. It is my favorite room.
Wow, it's pretty. Your bed looks very soft, and you have a nice desk for your homework.
Yes, I also have a wardrobe for my clothes.
I like your posters on it.
That is my brother Tom's room.
Can we see it?
Just quickly, it is very messy.
Hi, Tom. Nice to meet you. Your room has a lot of games.
Yes, I love video games.
Finally, this is the backyard.
Wow, it is beautiful.
In the summer, we sit in the garden. My dog likes to play here, too.
You have a lovely home, Emma. Thank you for showing me.
You are welcome, Jessica. Let's go back to the kitchen and have some juice. Now, let's learn some useful vocabulary. Living room. Sofa. Kitchen. Fridge. Bedroom. Wardrobe. Garden.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.